Happy morning, children. Valha Valamudan. Had your breakfast, all of you? I think this is your snacks time. Yes, no? Yes, take your snacks, sit with your snacks, and listen the social class. Okay, dears? Shall we go today's session? Yes, today, the lesson civics, the subject civics, the same lesson, chapter 2. Okay, diversity and discrimination. Okay, we're going to see the diversity. Yesterday you learned, in the previous class you learned the differences and prejudice. Okay, that you see. Today the next topic we're going to see, that is what. Okay, yes, children, diversity and discrimination, that's our topic. Yes, you see here a lot of diversities among the people. Okay, yes, a small recap for the previous lesson. First, diversity. Diversity is defined as the condition of having many different elements. Example, what means our classroom is the example for diversity, that is full of children of different backgrounds. I already explained you, you and your friend, close friend, is both close friends, but there are a lot of differences among you, your appearance, your way of dressing, your food, your mother tongue, everything. Okay, so here example I'm giving, that classroom full of children of different backgrounds, it is the good example for diversity. And our India also good example for diversity, and our mother earth is a good example for diversity. Okay, dears. Next, prejudice, that meaning having a negative opinion about someone or something that is not based on facts, that is called prejudice. Okay, having a negative opinion about someone or something that is not based on facts. Then today, sorry, discrimination. What is discrimination, when it will come, we will explain, end of the, you will understand end of the lesson. Okay, discrimination means being treated unequally, that's called discrimination. Okay, dear, this is the recap, small recap. Today we'll go to the lesson, that is, today is a stereotype. Yes, children, do you hear, have you heard people saying boys don't cry and girls are soft spoken, and boys are very good at sports, girls are very good at dance and music? Have you heard, have you ever wondered why people say such things? This is called, when we fix an opinion about people, about a thing or a particular people, group of people, that's called a stereotype. That time we enter to the stereotype. Here, different types of diversities. Stereotype definition: a widely held but fixed and oversimplified image or idea of a particular type of person or thing. Now I told you, boys, they should not cry, they don't cry. Girls soft spoken, they want to do all the household chores. Okay, that is. Okay, a widely held but fixed and oversimplified. Here you see, in your book, they given the first one, gender, okay, gender differences. What is called gender differences? A person, whether a boy or a girl, okay, a human being is a boy or girl, that is called gender differences. Okay, here automatically they given, in your book, second lesson, they given lot of sentences: don't cry, soft spoken, good at music, good at dance, very brave, good at sports, like these sentences they given in your book. You just write, for boys what are the characters we engaged, and for girls what are the characters we given. Okay, that we, what you write and you give automatically. Here you see, I'm just given into the picture. Girls means they were good in music, they were tailoring music, hearing music, everything. Boys, what, they were good at maths, calculative, science, like the subjective. Okay, so is it correct, is it good? That is fixed, fixed an opinion about some people, That's called stereotype here. Yes, children, we always making thoughts or ideas currently accepted by a group or society and that present an immutable character. Okay, suddenly we accept already. If you heard always use, if a boy fell down, if we listened, a parent listened means immediately what they are saying to that boy, why you are crying like a girl? Is it correct? Immediately they asked to that boy who fell down, why you are crying like a girl? That means what? Boys don't cry. And automatically what they are saying here, girls wanted to cry. Is it correct, dear? Yes, but that is stereotype. Here you listen. Why do stereotypes occur? Why it is occur? Stereotypes arise as a way of explaining or justifying differences between groups. That is, lack of exposure to other groups, culture, etc. Yes, dears, when we started creating the stereotypes, it giving the answer for us what means lack of exposure to other groups, cultures, etc. For example, we already stereotyped what means uh, village people is not smarter than the city people. Okay, due to this stereotype, what had happened? You know what happened? Because the village people is missing their opportunities. Okay, their opportunities and everything, the opportunities to get a job of their choice. Okay, you understand? Here I am saying, if we believe that people who live in villages are less smart than city people, we may deny them an opportunity to get a job of their choice. That is here I am giving lack of exposure to other groups, cultures, etc. Yes, dears, now you listen. Types of stereotypes. Listen. Gender, that is boy or girl. Age, you are very aged people can't do these things. We hear that. Yes, no? Yes, then religion, always. We itself think and we give that opinion. We created the opinion, general opinion about that particular religion and fixed that. Okay, opinion fixed about someone on one. Okay, that's called. Then culture, then location, people from village, people from city. Okay, these and all come in the types of stereotypes. Yes, children. Negatives, that is effects of stereotype. Okay, effects. Some people may assume that the same group of people share the same ideals and personality traits just because they have something in common, like their dress sense, culture, or taste in music. Just because they may look the same, it doesn't mean they feel the same or think the same thing. Okay. Yes, children. Now, points to remember. Yes, wait. Before that, I will just explain you. Always we hear that boys don't cry and girls wanted to speak softly, and they were very good at sports. These people are very good at music and dance. Okay, who the girls? Okay, why they are? This is because very often we have fixed ideas about what boys and girls should be like. Okay, yeah, should be like we fixed the idea how they should like. Boys means they don't cry. Girls means they soft spoken. Boys means they wanted to go for work, job. Girls want to do all the household chores, everything. Should have own and expect them to behave in a certain way. Yes, no, we should keep the opinions and be expecting them to behave in that way. Okay, we start believing in them without even thinking about whether these are facts or not. Hence we say that boys should be good at sports while dance and music is only meant for girls. However, if you think carefully, any boy or girl can be good at sports or music. Okay, if we continuously saying like this, automatically what happened, the boys, if in any situation, if they feel very sad, that time also they are they are not crying. Okay, they feel if they cry means anyone tease them, anyone seeing and they are saying some criticize them, like that. If girls automatically, if they are asking why you are crying like a girl, means the girls started to cry for each and everything. For small things also they started to crying. Why this happened? Because of the stereotype. Boys, they should not cry, that is they don't cry. Girls, that stereotype automatically transfer here, the girls wanted to cry. Okay dear, are you understand? Yes. Points to remember here I'm giving. Listen. Creating stereotype. What are the things? Gender differences are common in India. That is boys or girls. That only I'm giving. Explain for you. Example for you. I have given example for you that. Then various stereotypes are associated with a boy and a girl. That boys are good at sports. Boys are naughty. Girls are very sensitive. Girls are good at music, dance. Why boys are not? Why boys don't want to smart in the dance or music? Yes. As child grow up, they develop strong stereotypes that I told. Boys don't cry means in a sad situation also, they unable to cry because they believed in that stereotype. Boys don't cry. In small things, girls started to cry. Yes, here we fit all boys and all girls into an image created by the society. Yes, we fit all boys and girls. Okay, that we explained. I explained to you. Then, when we fix people into one image, we create a stereotype. When we create the stereotype, when we fix people into one image, we create a stereotype. That means what? People in the villages is not smarter than the city people. Boys are naughty, girls are sensitive. In this way, when we fix people into one image, that means all the girls are not sensitive, all the boys are not naughty. That also. Okay, here it stops us from looking at people as a unique individual. This is very important. It stops us when we create the stereotype. When we enter to the stereotype, here they are saying, it stops us from looking at people as a unique individual. What they having unique, that is gone. Okay, because if we keeping the stereotype, because so many girls were very good in sports. Okay, so everybody, each and everyone had their unique. Okay, if we created the stereotype, it stops us. Okay, it prevents us from doing things that we might be good at. It prevents us if anyone thinking us, if for example a boy want to learn music, if they're saying why you are girls only good at music, if they said means, it prevents us from doing things that we might be good at. If so many boys are very good in music. Okay, so this is stereotype. Yes children, today I'm taking only stereotype, so I hope you understand what is stereotype. Okay, stereotype means we we created or we create a opinion to keep particular one image, to keep one image. Okay, we fixed an opinion to one image, or we kept a people in one image. That's we created the stereotype. Okay, dears, are you understand? Yes, what is stereotype? You say for me. Yes, what a stereotype? Fixed opinion about a group of people, not based on facts. That is stereotype. The next one we will continue in the next slides. Okay, dears? Next session we will continue in the next slide.